See, let's be serious here. We are Chelsea. And anytime that you hear the name Chelsea, winning. Anytime that you hear the name Chelsea, progression, moving forward, going forward, winning titles, winning trophies. So for that matter, a team like this, you need a player who can be giving you numbers. You need a player who can be giving you goals, like at least 15 goals in a season, or at least 10 or 15 assists in a season. Yes, Rafael Leao, as I said, he is good. But actually, when I look at him, his style of play, I don't think he can match up to the intensity in the Premier League. I don't think so. See, if these owners do any mistake and sell Santos, I will buy Chelsea. See, if they sell Santos, I'm buying Chelsea from them. I will force and go, or I'll go and tell Estavao so that I'll go and buy Chelsea. Yes, no way they should sell Santos. No. This season, what Santos is doing in League One is uncomparable. It's immeasurable. See, please borrow me adjectives, borrow me words. See, what Santos is doing in League One this season is insane, magical. Santos is the GOAT in League One this season. Santos is the GOAT, the general midfield in League One, the N'Golo Kante in League One, the Lampard in League One, the Jorginho in League One. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy, Richman. Before we start, guys, happy Ramadan to all Muslims around the world, all Muslims watching this channel, watching my videos. Happy Ramadan. And I won't lie, guys, today, the sun was so hot. I'm telling you, the heat was too much where I stay. If this sun will continue this way, being hot for we, those fasting, Charlie, some of us will fast 15 days. Yes, you can fast 3 days, you can fast 15 days, and you can fast 30 days. If the sun or the heat will continue like that, Charlie, where I stay, guys, the sun is too hot. Heat. Tamale here is too hot. So, guys, happy Ramadan to all Muslims around the world. Some of us started today, and some started yesterday. So, getting to the end of this month, we'll celebrate Salah. Yes, I can't wait for Salah Day because it's not easy. It's not easy. So, guys, let's come to the reason why we are here. Chelsea interested in signing these two AC Milan players. We'll come and look at them. Yes, who are they? Chelsea, do we really need them? And also, Estavao, his numbers are insane in the Brazil League, his team. And also, Bayern Munich interested in signing Santos. Our informed Andrey Santos. We'll come and look at him also. So let's start with the two AC Milan players. But before we do that, please hit the like button to help this video reach wider audience on the YouTube algorithm. And hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, it give me the belief, the motivation, the hope to give you more videos. So please hit the subscription button and hit the like button and turn on the notification bell. More videos are coming. Let's start with the first player Chelsea interested, who is called Tijani Reijnders. Tijani Reijnders. Who is Tijani Reijnders? Tijani Reijnders is Netherlands international, 26 years of age, currently playing for AC Milan. And his primary position is central midfield. But he can also play as defensive midfield and attacking midfield. Yes. And this guy, one thing I like about him, guys, he is goal-scoring midfielder. He is goal-scoring midfielder. Yes. So far this season, all competition, he scored 13 goals. Yes, I think Serie A, he scored 8 goals. The rest of the goals came from the other competition in Italy. Yes, he scored 13 goals. And Chelsea, it has been a long time we have a goal-scoring midfielder. In fact, I think, if I can remember well, I think after Lampard, we haven't get that prolific goal-scoring puncher. Yes, midfielder like Lampard. Jorginho was not that a scorer. He was penalty merchant. Yes. And Kovacic was not that a scorer. N'Golo Kante was not that a scorer, but once a while. In fact, can you believe that N'Golo Kante scored against all the big teams in England? His Chelsea career, he scored against all the big teams. Manchester United, Man City, Spurs, and which Arsenal. Okay, let's add Arsenal. Let's add. Yes, he didn't score a lot of goals, but he scored some important goals. Yes. So big up to N'Golo Kante. Yes, we can't forget about him. He is our legend. So guys, this player, as I said, that is the thing I like about him. He is a goal-scoring midfielder. And Chelsea, as we are speaking now, we need that kind of midfielders. We need that kind of midfielder, goal-scoring midfielders. I'm telling you, because Caicedo can do the dirty work. Caicedo can run. Yes, cover all the space. In fact, Caicedo is the best midfielder in the Premier League as we are speaking now. Some people are mentioning Liverpool midfielders, Sobolozai, Graham Van Bench, well, yes, they are doing good this season. But imagine Caicedo was in this Liverpool team. Look at this Liverpool team and look at this our Chelsea team. This our team, we are struggling. But still, Caicedo is performing. So imagine he was in that Liverpool team, this Liverpool team that are on form this season. Yes, by now, Caicedo's name will have been in the Ballon d'Or list. If Caicedo were to be playing for Liverpool, inform Liverpool this season. So for me, I think Caicedo is doing better than Liverpool midfielder this season. Yes, like last season, Cole Palmer being in a struggling team, still he was scoring goals, still he was giving assists, showing numbers upon being in a struggling team. So imagine Cole Palmer was being in like Real Madrid team last season or last season Man City team. So that is why some of us will said that last season they robbed Cole Palmer. So guys, this is why I like this player. And another thing I like about him, he is 26 years of age. Not that young and not that old. He is getting to his prime. Yes, 28, 29, he will reach his prime. But the issue here is that we know this is the Premier League. See, the Premier League is different ball game. You can be Messi or you can be like Messi, Ronaldo in different league. But when you come to the Premier League, you have to show, see, the way you were playing at your previous league or previous team, you have to show double of that performance before you can match the intensity in the Premier League or before you can perform in the Premier League. So that is my fear. Chelsea can sign him. I like him. He is good. We need that kind of midfielders in our squad, in our team, goal-scoring midfielders. But can he come to Premier League and continue that form? Can he come to Chelsea and continue that form? Because these players we are talking about, they can't score. Enzo Fernandez can't score. Who and who? See, when Enzo go to Argentina, Enzo is bossing Argentina midfield. Not only Enzo, most of our players, when they go to international level or different place, look at Pulisic at Serie A. He is performing well, but Chelsea he could not. So that is my worry or that is my fear. I don't know whether it is spiritual problem in Chelsea or whether, like I don't know. When we have a player in our team, he can play. He can give his best performance. But when he go to somewhere else or international level, you will see that player performing very, very well. Guys, so that is my fear about this player. Apart from that, for me, I think he will be a good signing. 26 years of age, goal-scoring midfielder. By the way, guys, that is my opinion. Let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought about this signing. And let's come to Rafael Leao. Yes, rumors are saying that Chelsea interested to sign him. And this rumors is not today that it started. Well, since last season, we have been hearing it. Chelsea want Rafael Leao, Chelsea want Rafael. Yes, I like him. His profile is good. Yes, the flair, the dribbling. Yes, he's entertainable. Yes, but guys, see, let's be serious here. We are Chelsea. And anytime that you hear the name Chelsea, winning. Anytime that you hear the name Chelsea, progression, moving forward, going forward, winning titles, winning trophies. So for that matter, a team like this, you need a player who can be giving you numbers. You need a player who can be giving you goals, like at least 15 goals in a season. Or at least 10 or 15 assists in a season. Yes. Rafael Leao, as I said, he is good. But Charlie, when I look at him, his style of play, I don't think he can match up to the intensity in the Premier League. I don't think so. See, guys, the Premier League will swallow him. See, the Premier League, nobody will give you the pressure to dance with the ball, to massage the ball, to do everything that you want to do with the ball before making a decision. Yes, nobody will give you that chance. See, Premier League football is like a wall. If I were to be a coach, I will be playing like Jurgen Klopp. Ginger pressing. No matter how this, I must win. I will give you the pressure. I mean the pressure. I will let the opponent feel the sensation through the bones. Look at the way Real Madrid is playing with Bellingham and co. When Bellingham is playing, as if he is fighting, not knowing that he's playing football. You will never see him standing. Look at the way Caicedo is playing. Look at the way Cucurella is playing. That is how a Premier League player should be. And that is how a Premier League player should play. Look at how Madueke is playing. That is why we can't see the best of him. Look at how Sancho is playing. That is how we can't see the best of him. These kind of players, like, as if they want to play, they don't want to play. I don't know. Yes, they are not serious. They are not putting in the... See, in the Premier League, if you are lazy, forget. Go to somewhere else and play. Look at João Felix. Look at his profile as a talented player, but he's not serious. Yes, the intensity is not there. He's lazy. Yes, as I said, Sancho, Madueke and co. All these guys are good too. But the intensity or them putting the energy, more energy into their games, they refuse. So they tend to bad players who can perform in the Premier League. Yes, but look at how Neto is playing. Look at how, see, Neto is Premier League player. Look at the pressure he always have when he's on the ball. Yes, that is what we are talking about. We're not holding the ball as if they are forcing you to play. No, see, the wages they are paying them or the money they are paying these players, if they give that money to some of us, we'll leave you too. I'm telling you, see, if they give the money to some of us, I'm closing this channel. I'm joking. I'm telling you that the money is so huge. They are receiving better wages, better salaries. But when they go into the pitch, they are joking. Go and see their accommodation, 5-star hotel. Go and see the buses they are using. Everything about their environment is clean, superb, highest level, standard. But when they come into the pitch, and see if they force them. And the money with the fans are paying watching their games, it is also part of their salary. Yes, TV right man, it is also part of their salary. So sometimes that is why it is painful. Yes, and look at the way Neto is playing. Neto is serious. When Neto is holding the ball, you know that this guy really wants his team to win. Yes, he's serious, showing the energy, showing the strength, showing the eager, the enthusiasm, the zeal to win. Yes, but some of these, see, nowadays football are now full of talented players. Now, you can't count talented players in football. Footballers who got it, who had the technical ability, they are now uncountable. So now as a footballer, what will differentiate you from others is you being serious. You putting more seriousness, more energy, more intensity into your game. That will now differentiate you. But apart from that, see, every footballer is now technical brilliant. So you have to be serious before you can be called the best, before you can be put up there, top player. But you being lazy, just doing as if they are not paying you or your girlfriend divorce or whatever. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section about Leao signing. Do you think we need him? Do you think Chelsea should go and sign him? And let's come to Estavao, the young talented Estavao, the special one, the baller, the monsieur. In fact, the future Ballon d'Or winner. I said it. Cole Palmer and Estavao in the future, they are winning Ballon d'Or for Chelsea. They will be the first players to win Ballon d'Or for Chelsea. I'm telling you. So guys, Estavao set another record. Estavao set another what? Records. Let's look at that. Future Chelsea talent, Estevao Willian scored and become the first Brazilian to reach 30 career goals and assists before turning 18 since Neymar Jr. in 2010. Yes, Estevao turns 18 in April and then he will join Chelsea from July 2025. And he celebrated like Neymar. 30 goals, career goals and assists. 20 goals, 10 assists. Before turning 18, he will turn 18 next month. This month is March. Next month is April. So another record. Yes. After Neymar did it in 2010, this guy, a lot will be expecting from him when he joins Chelsea next season. In the summer, 2025, he will join Chelsea. Because the hype is real. And so far, he is living to that expectation of his hype at the Brazilian league. Yes, at his team recently. He is playing well. It isn't that Chelsea fans were just hyping him for hyping's sake. Currently, he is playing well. Yes, he is doing fantastic, scoring goals, giving assists, doing better dribbles. In fact, even scoring some insane goals, like magician, gold goals. Yes, so he's good. But, Charlie, I think we the fans, let's help him next season when he joins. Let's help him as a Chelsea fan. Let's not put much pressure on him to deliver at all costs, because he never had European football, not even Premier League football. European football, he never. South American. So when he joined Chelsea, we the fans, please, let's consider that he is a young player. Let's consider that he is coming to play for Chelsea as a big team, and he is coming to play in the Premier League. Let's not do as if he will not be our everything next season. I know, we the Chelsea fans, sometimes that is how we are. Let's not put pressure on his shoulder, or the pressure that he can carry for now. He can carry in the future. But please, for now, let's lower our expectation on Estevao Willian. I know he's good, talented, good in dribble. He can assist, he can score. But as I said, he's coming to Premier League game. He's coming to play for Chelsea. The pressure is there too much. We saw it with Modric and Co. At the end, we saw what happened. I'm not saying that he'll come and play like Modric. I'm wishing him all the best. I want him to come. As I said, he and Cole Palmer will win Ballon d'Or for us in the future. But please, let's not put pressure on this young guy when he joins Chelsea next season. Let's allow him to develop. Let's allow him to adapt. I know this guy is good. Yes. So, guys, that is the new records, the insane records from Estavao. Let me hear from you under the comment section. Yes, your opinion, your thought about this, our young talented player, Justice Sam from Brazil, Palmeiras. Yes, guys, let me hear from you. And Bayern Munich also interested in Santos. Yes, information says so. And Justice says Santos will be important player for us next season, crucial player. And that is it. It should be so, because no way just selling. See, if these owners do any mistake and sell Santos, I will buy Chelsea. See, if they sell Santos, I'm buying Chelsea from them. I will force and go, or I'll go and tell Shatabanda so that I will go and buy Chelsea. Yes, no way they should sell Santos. No. This season, what Santos is doing in League One is uncomparable. It's immeasurable. See, please borrow me adjectives, borrow me words. See, what Santos is doing in League One this season is insane, magical. Santos is the GOAT in League One this season. Santos is the GOAT, the general midfield in League One, the N'Golo Kante in League One, the Lampard in League One, the Jorginho in League One, the who. So, guys, see, no way. Information said that Bayern Munich want to sign him. Yes, and Chelsea signed another young player, Evangelis Gardina. He is 17 and he will join Chelsea 2026. Yes, not this season or not in the summer, next summer. And these kind of players, some of us, we don't have problem with our owners signing young players. But the issue is that our current Chelsea is not the problem. We haven't solved our problem with this, our current Chelsea. Yes, we all know. We don't have a striker. We don't have a goalkeeper. We don't have reliable, experienced defenders and more depth in the midfield. Maybe Santos joined, but still, we are lacking so many players in our first team position. But we are moving ahead to be signing players we don't even need, because next 2 seasons he's joining Chelsea. So some of us, that is our problem. See, these owners, I'm telling you, they haven't signed young players more than Abramovich. Go and check under Abramovich. See, Chelsea were having like first team, like up to 3 to 4 times. Yes, and we were having players all over the world, all over Europe. Yes, but the issue was that, or the difference was that, the first team under Abramovich was performing. The first team under Abramovich was winning Premier League title, was winning Champions League title. So we were not having that focus on Abramovich signing young players or having players on loan. Our focus, because your team is winning, why do you need a game? Yes, your team is winning Champions League, Premier League. What are you going to complain? So that is a difference. They can be signing their young players, but they should make sure that this, our first team, is competing for titles. So, guys, that is the information from Chelsea Camp as we are speaking now. And if anything happens, I will update you again. So please hit the like button for this video to go far, and hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, give me the blink of motivation to give more of it. Take care, peace. I want to go and break my fast. It's time. Charlie, the sun was hot. Take care, guys.